MILLMOOR is a historic football ground in Rotherham. It opened in the 1890s and served as the home of Rotherham County from 1907 to 1925, and then Rotherham United until 2008. Early years and glory days 1890s. The site was first used for local football by the Rotherham Church Institute. 1907 formally opened as a professional ground when Rotherham County moved in. 1925, Rotherham United was formed through a merger, taking over the MILLMOOR ground. 1961 hosted the first leg of the inaugural League Cup final, where Rotherham United beat Aston Villa 2-0. The departure and aftermath 2004 to 2008, property and club ownership disputes split the club from the stadium freehold owner. 2008, Rotherham United left MILLMOOR abruptly, leaving a newly built main stand half-finished. The team played away from the town before opening the New York Stadium in 2012. Recent years, the ground saw sporadic use for local youth matches, though portions of the structure faced dereliction. Now, as of the 20th of August, 2026, you can see 핸드폰 속에 너와 나눴던 얘기들은 아직 남아. 꿈만 속에 꿈이 아니겠지. 꿈이었어도 나 헤어나오지 못했어. I don't wanna wake up, just wanna back up. 우리가 함께했던 것을 난 너무 슬퍼. 눈을 가렸어. 아무것도 보지 못하게. 넌 아마 내가 안에 미워둔 기억 속에서 나를 찾고 있겠지. 더 많은 것이 변해 우릴 갈라졌다도 난 변하지 않았어. You know what I've done to you, I ruined my life. But before I sent to you were far away. This song can never reach you. 이 노래 듣게 된다면 이미 늦었어. This song can never reach you. 아무 일도 하던 그대로. 우리 다시 돌아갈까.